Hey guys, I'm going to tell you a little bit about how to use Weebly. So right now all of you should be on the home page, and you can see when you hover over any of these, it does change which page you're on. So right now we're on the home page where it says your name here. You're going to click it, and then you're going to type in your name. Where it says Regina Krugliak, you're going to put in your name. Where it says a thoughtful creative designer, you're going to write in your own words and get rid of anything that doesn't apply to you. You can change the font, you can change the color right over here by clicking and highlighting. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And just so you know, undo doesn't work. You can't just do Control Z, but there are these undo buttons and redo buttons. That's kind of all you can do. Once you click out, you kind of lose what you did. So make sure that you're undoing everything before you click somewhere out of the text. Now you can't undo anymore. But if you do want to change the font, this is where we would change it. If you want to make certain parts bold, you would do that right here as well. The next thing I want to show you is how to change this image back here. So you should be able to click on the image, and then it says Edit Background. You can click Replace. You can upload a photo that you already get off the internet. You can search the internet, or you can click Exit right here, and then it shows you all sorts of images that are options. So feel free to pick something that applies to you. So perhaps I really like this awesome coffee cup. Now I can see that I like that, so I'm going to click Save, or I'm going to click Cancel. So if I click Save, now I've got my coffee cup, but you can see that it's really hard to read my name, so what I'm going to do is change the color of that to maybe yellow. So that's still hard to read, so maybe I decide that this isn't a good background because there's a lot of text in the background, right? The next thing I want to show you is what you can do with some of the spacing. So if you click on the image, if you see that my arrow just turned into 4 arrows, so now I can move things around. So I can move this image to be kind of by itself where it lit up blue. I could move it. This is how I edit my image. If I click out, then it lets me redo whatever I was doing. So now I can move again. Let's say I want to put it back. So now I just put it back where it was. Notice that this is a spacer that I can move around, so this is me putting it back to where it was. The spacer I can make bigger and smaller. So right now it's a really big spacer, so I'm going to make my spacer smaller by dragging these arrows. Let's say I want a little bit more text there, a little bit less picture there. For the text itself, this is where you can change the title and where you can change what you write about yourself. If you want another title, you're just going to drag that over, and you'll see that it lights up blue with wherever it is that you want the title. Same thing with text and image. If you want 2 pictures about yourself, you just drag those in. There are some other options, but we're not going to go over too many of them. The few that you should know about is YouTube. So if you have a video that you want people to see, then you can add a video, and by clicking on that, you can link the actual video URL right there. We'll stop there and watch the next video.